Hey everybody, Alex from Green Tree Media here. I just want to share with you a new plugin I put together for the Divi Builder, Elegant Themes Divi Builder. And what it does is it imports Font Awesome directly into the Divi Builder. A lot of the Font Awesome icons, or I'm sorry, a lot of the Font Awesome plugins I've come across for Divi are really good about helping you to bring Font Awesome into your project, or at least loading it into your website. But anytime you want to actually use an icon, it requires you to write some CSS and do some CSS hacks. And for your clients, it's really difficult for them to get in there and make changes if they don't know CSS. So this plugin actually, not only brings Font Awesome into your website, but it also actually brings it directly into the builder, so you can work with the icons natively, just like the icons that come shipped with Divi. So I'll just show you a quick example here on this demo page. You can use the Font Awesome icons. You still style them just like you normally would with the regular icons. You have the same animation options. You can use them with buttons, galleries. I mean, pretty much any module um, in Divi that lets you choose an icon, you'll have the option to choose a Font Awesome icon in addition to the normal Divi icons. Form examples, so anything that uses buttons, anything like that, and pretty much anything else. Um, I wouldn't be surprised if this also worked with third-party plugins. The way that I did it, I didn't write any custom modules or things like that that would need to be maintained or updated. It's kind of just integrates very nicely with Divi and pulls in these icons and just makes them available to you. So I try to do it very forward thinking. So let's take a look at the setup page here. Pretty straightforward, really only two options. You just put in your CDN embed code and then the format that you want. So if we go over to the Font Awesome CDN, which is at the cdn.fontawesome.com, you can create an embed code. Um, and really, here's that ID, and you can call it whatever you want. Version 4.7, that's the current version. And then your format options. Do you want to load the library via JavaScript or CSS? And you'll notice that our two options here for format, JavaScript and CSS. So whichever way you prefer to bring it into your website, the plugin can definitely accommodate that. Then you just drop your unique code and you're pretty much good to go. So if we shoot over here, I'll just show you some quick examples. So in the Blurb module, I'll scroll down here. So our icons. So we've got all of our normal Divi elegant theme icons that come shipped with Divi. And once we get to the end of those, you'll notice that we're going to start to see the Font Awesome icons. And it's got all 650 whatever, however many icons there are, imported and ready to go. And so you can select them, whichever icons that you want, just like you normally would. And if we jump over to the design side, it's all the same, options. The icon color, circle icon, top or left. Again, I didn't customize any modules themselves for this. So, I mean, we're looking at the core Blurb module settings. So there's a lot less opportunity for things to kind of conflict, I guess, and it makes it a lot more future-proof as Divi moves forward and with its development. So it's pretty robust. Not only that though, but if we shoot over to the customizer here, you'll see that we've got all those icons available in the customizer as well. So when I select icons for the button, here's all our Divi icons. Scroll down and then we'll hit the Font Awesome icons. Yep, here they are. So now we've got all the Font Awesome icons in the customizer as well. So just thought this might be a great opportunity or a great way to be able to quickly use the Font Awesome library. I know that I find myself incorporating it into a lot of my projects. And sometimes you'll get a client that wants to change an icon or kind of tweak it, and they can't get in there and do it themselves without writing CSS. So this plugin kind of eliminates that, makes it a lot easier for them to be able to make changes, makes it a lot easier for you to get Font Awesome into your projects in a very clean and efficient way. So yeah, I hope you guys find some value in this. If you end up making something cool, drop me a line. I'm over at alexbrinkman.org. Or you can check out my business site, which is Green Tree Media. That's greentreemediallc.com. So, all right, cool, guys. Enjoy it, and let me know what you make.